Windy City Wire's complete field system solution combines RackPacks with our line of unique transporter devices. Each transporter is designed for a specific project application and provides technicians the tools for easy cable management. By utilizing a transporter in combination with our RackPacks, one installer can easily move multiple reels of cable around a job site and allows for easy horizontal and vertical cable pulls. All Windy City Wire transporters are durable, lightweight, collapsible, and are made in America. For small-scale projects requiring only a few thousand feet of cable, the grab-and-go light is the perfect choice. Or upgrade to the more durable grab-and-go for a more robust compact transporter. Or choose the versatile rack stack that can effortlessly hold a dozen or more RackPacks. For large-scale applications, the RackTrack is designed to accommodate a large number of RackPacks and makes it easy for one installer to move them around a job site effortlessly. Alternatively, we also offer the hybrid transporter called the Rack Stack Combo that combines the benefits of both the Rack Stack and the RackTrack into one convenient device. No matter what size your project's cable needs are, Windy City Wire has the transporter for the job.